Sir Isaac Newton, a renowned physicist and mathematician, formulated three fundamental laws that describe the relationship between a body and the forces acting on it. These laws are foundational in classical mechanics. 1. Newton's first law of inertia. An object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an external force. This law essentially states that objects in motion tend to stay in motion, and objects at rest tend to stay at rest unless a force acts on them. 2. Newton's second law of acceleration. The force acting on an object is equal to the mass of that object times its acceleration. It means that the force applied to an object is directly proportional to the acceleration it experiences. 3. Newton's third law, action and reaction. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that if one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts a force of equal magnitude and in the opposite direction on the first object. Understanding these laws is crucial for anyone studying physics, as they form the basis for much of classical mechanics and have applications in everyday life.